Hi all, Namaskar. This is Dr. N. Srinivas, Director Operations, Sain Educational Services Private Limited. Are you dreaming to study in UK? So today I will tell you step-by-step process of UK student visa.
The first step is arrangement of all the required documents for university submission. First important one is the passport and your SSC intermediate. Use all the mark sheets semester wise and PC, CMM and 3 letter of recommendations from your faculty and 1 good SOP. If you have any required English score, means like IELTS, TOEFL, anything you have to submit, you have to give all the English proficiency to the university. So here most of the universities will accept if you have an average of 70 and above in English in intermediate examination. The next step is after submitting all your documents, you will get one conditional offer letter from university. So in that they will mention what is your program and what is the duration of the program, what is the fee structure of the program and initial deposit, last dates and everything they will mention in the conditional offer letter. And the next step is release of CAS, means confirmation of acceptance for your studies. For this you have to show your financials, so first tuition fee as well as your living expenses. Suppose your university inside the London, you have to show around 1300 GPP per month, or outside the London around 1000 and 1100 GPP per month up to the 9 months. Tuition fee and the living expenses, both total amount you have to show in your account or your parent account at least not less than the 28 days. So then only the cash will be released. And the next step is after release cash, you have to go for your biometric appointment, means visa appointment confirmation. For that you have to pay your visa fee and IHS fee and then submit your biometric at your nearest VAC office. For this submission of biometric, you go with your passport, cash letter, financials, academic TB test and any other unnecessary documents. So this is the complete process of student visa. Usually it will take nearly 15 to 20 working days for confirmation of our visa approval. So for any more information, means choosing of university, program, whatever you want for UK study visa, please feel free to contact Sain Educational Services. We are at Amirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. So please contact. We will help you, we will guide you, we will assist you in all the student requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.